What's up, Tech? It's Josh here. I'm excited to unbox the Pixel 4a. This is a phone that I've been looking forward to getting for quite some time. It's been delayed because of COVID and some reasons like that, but we finally have it. I've got it here. We're gonna unbox it, just kind of go over just a little bit and just get excited with some of the content that I'm gonna make about this phone. So follow me over on Instagram because I'm definitely gonna try to take some good photos and post those over to my Instagram account. I'll have all the links that you need down below in the video description, including if you wanna pick one up for yourself. Let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. Let's go and get this thing on open up. I'll try to cover up my address. I'll tell you what, I'll go off camera real quick. All right, back on camera so we can get this unboxed. Looks like we got some fluffy paper. All right, empty box. So, just want to make sure there's nothing in here. Don't want to throw away something by accident. All right, so there's the phone box itself. Make sure there's nothing in here. Nope. All right, sorry for all that racket and noise, but I've had the Pixel 4 XL since it came out. It's been a fantastic device. It's one of my favorite phones. As far as photography goes, just the Google experience. I like the color, I like the matte finish on the back. A lot of cool stuff about it, but now we get the 4A. This was sent out from Google, so I definitely appreciate them sending this to me. I'm part of Team Pixel, hashtag gift from Google. I'm just super stoked about being part of it. It's really just an honor and privilege to be able to do this kind of stuff. All right, so let's just take a look around the box real quick. Kind of give you an idea of what it looks like. There we go, hashtag Team Pixel. Pretty much get a full idea of what you're going to get inside, so not many surprises. So you get a couple pull tabs there. If you've had the Pixel 4 or the 4 XL, let me know what your thoughts are down in the comments. I've really enjoyed the device a lot. All right, it does feel like a significant size difference. They did pack this pretty well. You got some good padding right there, but then there's this indentation, so that we have some room for that camera. All right, I'm gonna put this to the side for just a second, see what else comes in the box. Looks like we got our normal paperwork. We got a SIM card here, got our power brick. For those that might want to know the specs of that, here you go, there's the power brick. We've got a USB-C to C cable. I love USB-C, just big fan of that technology. Then we have an adapter down here. I'm just gonna leave that down in the box, and that's pretty much it. That's all that comes into the box. So let's get all this back and tucked away, so that way I can just preserve these things, because I'm not gonna actually use these ones because I have so many already. I'm gonna take my microphone off for a second, put it in my hand so you can hear the peeling yourself. I don't know if you could actually hear anything at all, but there it is. Here is the Pixel 4a. It's got a nice matte finish on the back, so that's really exciting. I'm glad that there's glass. Like there's these glass backs and stuff like that. I'm glad, super glad that Pixel went with that matte kind of finish on the back, because I don't like that glossy look at all. I do like the pop of color that you get with the Pixel 4, but you get this, you get black with an accent of a light green. It's like a mint green kind of power button. So that's what they look like. You can kind of see the size difference there as well. So let's put this off to the side. Take more of a tour around here. Like, I'm so used to bigger devices that this is definitely a lot smaller than what I'm used to. So much smaller, but that's cool, that's okay. I watched MKBHD's video about this and I was pretty impressed with what I saw. A lot of what he said is holding up to true of like just the aesthetics of it. Let's go ahead and power this on. So one of the cool things about this phone is that you can use a SIM card or an eSIM card to activate the device, but you notice that there's no camera like hole or hole punch kind of design. On the Pixel 4, you got just a straight bar up here, so you got a bit of a chin or forehead, you know, that kind of stuff, but with this, they kind of went with a more minimal approach. You got their hole punch design for your camera cutout. It's not too far off from each other as far as how thick it is. You get a similar design with how the power button and also the volume rockers are on the same side. You do get a headphone jack with the Pixel 4a, which is, like, I understand that you're going after a lower budget market, so lower budget might not actually have Bluetooth kind of headphones, so it's just kind of one of those things, like you get a higher end phone, you get Bluetooth connectivity for most of your listening devices, but then with the lower end device, a budget device, headphones are pretty much where it's at. So here's the difference as far as placement goes for the SIM card tray. The Pixel 4, you got it towards the top. On the 4a, you got it towards the bottom. And then the bottom of the phones actually look pretty similar. So I'm gonna go through the process of getting this thing all activated. Then I'll start posting some content about this. If you wanna see me do a full review about this phone, let me know. I'll try to see what I could do. I don't know if I could survive on a phone this size, although it does feel really like it's a good size. I'll definitely be able to navigate it. I'm 6'3". Sometimes people argue that I'm probably 6'4". So big hands. This feels more natural to me, actually, this size device. When you get anything bigger than that, that's where I get a little bit more uncomfortable, where I have to stretch to access parts of the screen. But definitely not gonna have that issue with the Pixel 4a. So yeah, I'm excited about getting this thing going. Let me know if you have any questions you want me to address in any other posts. Again, all the links that you need to follow my social media stuff, so you can see the camera. Like, I've heard nothing but good about this camera, so I'm really looking forward to using it. I love using the camera on the Pixel 4 XL. All right, thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you next video.